Hello, welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom, and today we'll cook up a couple of these juicy looking pork chops right here. Now I discovered something just a little while ago, that even if you're not going to freeze something, if you're going to keep it for a few days, if you go ahead and seal it up in these bags, well, I've got a chamber vacuum sealer, but if you go ahead and seal it up in some kind of vacuum sealer, it helps that meat stay fresh a lot longer. You know, this hadn't been in the refrigerator for a couple of days, but you know, it's still fresher than what it would have been if it had just been sitting there on a plate wrapped up or something. So let me get that cut open and let's get started with it. Okay, now I've got them opened up here, and I'm going to use this BYRON'S butt rub right here, and I'm going to use this 4C breadcrumb seasoning. Both of those are real good things, and of course I'm going to salt and pepper them some. So now when I put these up, I washed them and cleaned them and everything. I think I'm going to rinse them off just a little bit more and dry them down a little bit before I put them in that plate. Okay, now I've got my handy dandy Evo sprayer here. Spray down a little olive oil on them. Alright, a little salt, pepper. Of course, you don't need a whole lot of salt with that pork, you know. Some good old BYRON'S butt rub. And now for some good old 4C's breadcrumbs here. Start patting all that in and rubbing it in real good. I want to push that down in there as good as I can, because when I put these in this Instant Pot over here, I didn't tell you we're going to do these in the Instant Pot Duo Crisp plus air fryer over here. Because you want as much of that stuff down there as you can, because I'm going to turn them upside down so I can do the other side. Okay, now shake a little bit of the excess off and put them down in there like that. There you go. Now they're both down in there. Now, got to clean my hands again. Okay, now I can handle stuff again now. My hands are getting clean. Put a little bit more olive oil on this side. Now we'll do the same thing as I did on the other side, except down in this basket that comes with the Instant Pot here. Now if you think this liner looks different, it is. Mine is not stainless steel. I ordered a ceramic coated non-stick, and I really like it better than the stainless steel. Although you might like the stainless steel. If you do, that's what you ought to use. Now, a few little bit bread crumbs on them here. Alright, now let me rub this in. That's going to be so good, pork chops. You're not going to believe it. You're not going to believe me when I tell you how good they are, but they're going to be as good as I tell you they are. Okay, now we're gonna put this super duper lid on top of this Instant Pot here. You hear it sing a little tune there. And we're gonna come, now you have to do, when you start hitting these buttons on this Instant Pot, you have to be pretty quick, because if you slow down and hesitate and look for a second or two, it just cancels everything out and you have to start all over again. So we're going to come down here to air fry, and we're going to 375. Whoops, wrong way. And we're going to 25 minutes. Alright, and then we're going to hit the start button. Now the start button is this little bitty green pale looking thing here that you can't hardly see what it is. So you have to either get your specs on or guess at it, but it's the green one. That means go. Okay, now the Instant Pot here, it likes to warm itself up a little bit before it starts counting down. So it'll probably sit here like this for, I don't know, it doesn't take too long, about 30 or 45 seconds, and it'll start counting down the minutes. Okay, that took about 1 minute and 15 seconds for that to do that. And now it's going to continue on counting down from this 25 till it gets down to 0, and then it'll stop. But somewhere in the middle there, I'm going to probably stop and take a look at it. I might turn it over or I might not. Sometimes you need to and sometimes you don't. You just have to use your own judgment. But sometime after it counts down to about, I don't know, a few minutes, we'll check it and see. Okay, after only 5 minutes, you would not believe the smell that's coming out of that pot. That is great right there. It just smells like that when we finish with it. It's going to be really good. So while I've got a second, if y'all can join our channel and give us a thumbs up, we sure would appreciate it. And we sure appreciate all you people watching our videos. It means a lot to us. Okay, now it's been going for 12 minutes. Let's see what the temperature is here. You just lift the lid off and it'll stop running. And now you got this little, it ain't little, but you got this fiber-based, compound fiber, I guess what it is, base that you set your lid on right here, and that way you don't help take a chance on running your counter or something. So let's stick this down in there. Well, I'll tell you right now, those are just about close to being done. Of course, it's hard to tell how far you push that pin through there. I think I'm going to flip them over just real quick. See what we can do with them. That looks good, good. I'll show you in just a second. Yeah. Look down at those beautiful looking pork chops. Now I'll tell you, that's some good looking pork chops right now. We'll see in a minute or two how good they taste. Okay, now we're going to put the lid back on it. Just like that. Now it's going to start back counting down just like it was before. And I don't think it's going to make it all the way down to 0 on that time, but it might. We'll check the temperature again in a minute. Okay, now they got about 8 minutes left, but I'm going to check them again because I checked it a minute ago, and I declare it looked like that temperature is getting way up there. I don't want to dry these bad boys out. They look too good to dry them out. So let me stick this pin back down in there again. Google said 145. And, you know, if Google said it must be right. That one's over 145 right in the middle. And so is that one. So I'm going to take these things out and cut into one of them just to see how it is. You think it's done? I think it's done. So, let me get a plate over here. Now, let's see if we can get one out. Now, that's the biggest and the thickest one. And I really think I'm going to cut into that one right there just to see how it is. Up here next to the bone if I can. Oh yeah, look at it. It's just, it almost pulls apart for it to cut. Can you see that, how done that is and juicy? Let's see how it tastes. About starved, I ain't even eat lunch. I bet that's gonna be good, but don't burn my mouth. Okay, that is so good. That is so good, I'm going to go in there and sit down and eat both these pork chops, maybe. Now, I better save one for Kay. Kay kill me if she gets home. She finds out I cooked pork chops that savor one. So, that about does it for this little short video here. I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. I hope you come back and see us real soon. Check out our links down below. You might see something down there you like from Amazon. And so until next time, y'all have a real good and safe day now. And goodbye now.